Single-use samplers. Specimen collection swab. Viral transport storage tube. Step 1. Remove the nasal swab. And insert it into the nasal cavity gently, then rotate it 2 circles slowly to absorb the secretion. Step 2. Rotate the swab gently to take out it and put it into the storage tube. Then break the swab from the broken part and infiltrate it into the storage solution and tighten the tube cap. Step 3. Mark the sample information on the tube label.